Welcome to the Giftease Academy. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through how to invite candidates. For this tutorial, we are going to use our demo account, the GenCole Foundation. The very first time you log in with a free tier subscription, you will be presented with your dashboard. This dashboard provides key information displayed in tiles under My Dashboard, such as the number of courses available, candidates registered, invitations sent, and the administrator users registered. You will also see a message showing how many licenses you have available to invite candidates. Since this is a free tier subscription, you can see that this is currently set to 1. To invite a new candidate, simply select Candidates from the menu panel on the left-hand side and click on Manage. This will open the candidate management screen. Since we're using a free tier subscription, you will see an alert notifying you that only 1 license is available. You can close this alert and proceed by selecting Invite Candidate, which will open a pop-up box. In the pop-up, fill in the details of the individual you would like to invite as a candidate. This could be your own details, as the admin, or someone else within your organization. Once completed, click Submit to send the invitation. After a successful submission, an email will be sent to your invited candidate, and your candidate management screen will update to show 1 invitation pending. Once the invited candidate accepts the invitation from the email they've received, they will be prompted to create a new account in Reach 360, our course delivery platform. It's essential that they create the account based on the email you registered them with. As discussed in our previous Getting Started tutorial, if, as an admin user, you wish to access courses yourself, you will need to create a separate candidate account in Reach 360 by following the steps in this tutorial. Once the account has been created, your registered candidate will be presented with the following screen in Reach 360, our course delivery platform. This means it's time to enroll them on some courses, which we will cover in the How to Enroll Candidates tutorial. You'll know when an invited candidate has successfully registered because they will move from the Invitations column to the Candidates column, as shown here. And that's it. You've successfully invited your first candidate, and once enrolled on courses, they are ready to begin their learning journey with Giftease Academy. Thank you for choosing Giftease Academy. We're here to make learning management simple and effective for you and your team. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at solutions@gift-ease.co.uk. Thanks for watching.